Hello guys, hope you are fine. Are you looking best heat guns? In this video we are going to reviews. Top 3 best heat guns on the market based on price, performance, feature and situation. After long hours on research we made this video. So if you're interested in finding out best product at low prices, then this video will help you find it and making your decision easier. So be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. As always, all the product update pricing mention links are in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Heat guns are one of those great power tools that make lots of jobs easier. There aren't many instances where one is necessary, but your DIY life will be a lot easier with one. Whether you're stripping paint, soldering, or thawing out frozen pipes, you need to find the right heat gun for you. With most power tools, it's difficult to tell the different options apart, until you really drill down into the details. And that's what we've done. In our search for the best heat gun, we narrowed it down to 3 options. The first option on our list is the best choice, Wagner Spraytech 05030008 heat gun. Wagner is a German company that is mainly known for creating paint spraying tools. But they're quick to point out that they do so much more than just tools for spraying your car. The Wagner Spraytech heat gun is one of their newer products in this vein, and we've selected it as our best choice heat gun in this list. At the excellent price of $23.99 at the time of writing, it's one of the most affordable and impressive heat guns on the market. For these reasons, it's quickly become a bestseller online. The gun itself comes in a bright yellow, durable casing and has a lightweight handle to make it easy to hold. There are 3 easy-to-use settings on the handle, which let you choose from off, low, or high. The low setting is 750 Fahrenheit and the high setting is 1000 Fahrenheit. This gives you the flexibility to perform a range of different jobs with the Wagner heat gun, from thawing out excess ice in your freezer to loosening tough bolts. Key features: a multifunctional device that operates at 2 temperatures. Lightweight at approximately 2 pounds. Nozzle made of non-corrosive material, built to last. Inbuilt fan for heat control. Specification: brand Wagner Spraytech model 05030008, weight 1.5 pounds. Check update price and more details link are mentioned in the description below. The second option on our list is the Premium Pick, Milwaukee Electric Tools 2688-21 M18 Heat Gun Kit. The Milwaukee 2688-21 M18 is the daddy of heat guns. Well, at least you would hope it is, because it costs over 3 times more than its nearest competitor on this list. So, what makes it so special? Well, there are a few things. Firstly, it's designed for use by professional tradesmen. If you need to thaw a bit of ice out in your freezer or loosen a bolt that you can't untighten, you probably don't need this gun. This is designed professionals who need a reliable tool for heating tubing and other applications. You can tell that it's designed for heavy use because of the quality of the construction. It's made to last. The second main difference is that it is battery powered. Instead of being powered by a long and cumbersome power cord, it takes its power from a red lithium battery. This is Milwaukee's own brand of powerful, portable, and rechargeable batteries. It can heat 40 connections on one charge, and you can buy extra batteries if you think you'll need them. Key features: powered by red lithium battery. 2 nozzles. 40 connection off one charge. Reaches 1000 F in 6 seconds. 3-year extended warranty. Specification: brand Milwaukee Electric Tools model 2688-21, weight 3.2 pounds. Check update price and more details link are mentioned in the description below. The third option on our list is the best value, Genesis GHG1500A dual temperature heat gun kit. It's the cheapest heat gun we've included, and at less than $20, it's an absolute bargain. But, as with all cheap products, we're always a little more cautious about their quality. If you spend $200, you sort of just expect it to work. So, when something is a tenth of that price, we need to look a bit deeper. Fortunately, this product stands up. There are a few potential problems and we'll outline them first. You choose the temperature setting using a very similar 3-position switch to the Wagner gun, and it's got two heat settings 750F and 1500F, which makes it even more powerful. The problem is, some customers aren't 100% sure it can handle the extra heat at first. It's likely that you'll need a burning in period before you use it properly. That means you need to blast it on the higher settings, preferably outdoors, and make sure it's working correctly. Think of it like wearing a pair of stiff shoes in. Key features: strong and powerful motor. Operates at 12.5 amp with an output of 1500 watts. Has 2 heating levels for flexibility. Features 4 detachable nozzle types for various tasks. Durable, multi-functional and easy to use. Specification: brand life, today weight 2 pounds. Alright guys, that is all for this video now, so make your decision which one would you like to buy. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, consider subscribe this channel. Because we do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.